Hi and welcome. In this home practice session, we're going to explore Parsvottanasana using a brick. The brick is going to help us with the front leg to get that leg injection into the hip socket. Okay, let me explain. So you're going to take your brick and place it so it's slanted on the wall and on your mat. Now, usually when we go into Parsvottanasana, we take our left foot back. We'll start with the right foot forward. And we want this action of the entire leg bone injecting into the hip socket. So sometimes that's difficult for us to do. Using this brick pedal really helps you to feel that connection. So you have your entire foot on the brick and you walk your left foot back enough and then try to move bring the pelvis into a neutral position by taking the tailbone in, lifting the pubis up towards the navel. You can bring the fingertips to the wall. Then press your big toe mount into the brick, tighten the kneecap so you're activating your quadricep. Then you can start to walk up the wall. This is nice for getting length in the sides of the waist and getting some movement into the mid band of the back. You can bring your sternum towards the wall. Those that want to go a little bit further, you can then start to come down, watch your head, bring your fingertips to the floor, or if you have additional bricks or something to put your fingertips on, that also works for this concave back variation. Then you can also go to the more classical position and start to bring your head down towards the shin and lay your front body along your leg. Okay, and then you can walk back up the wall. To change sides, just simply take your front foot back and then take your back foot forward. That keeps the alignment that you've created. Okay, let us know if you have any questions. Happy practicing. Namaste.